What did Yoda say when he saw himself on TV? HDMI. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some facts about me. Since I have been a little MIA here on my channel, I put together some facts about me in case some of you maybe forgot who I am, or maybe some of you are a little bit new and haven't seen my other facts about me videos. I don't know how many I have here. I'm going to have to count them after, so I have a title for this video, because right now it's just facts about me, but is it 20? Is it 30? I don't know, but we're going to do a facts about me video. So if you want to get to know me a little bit more, let's get into it. The first fact about me is I am absolutely obsessed with seafood. Fish in particular. I could eat salmon and or tilapia every single day. Salmon, if it's grilled, there is nothing better. I love, 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 love fish. I have been a professional dog groomer for almost 6 years, which is crazy. This May of 2026 will be my 6-year anniversary since I started on my dog grooming journey. It literally feels like yesterday I made a video announcing that I was going to be a dog groomer, and here we are 6 years later. Mind-blowing. I moved out of my mom's house at the age of 17, and I, for the most part, have been on my own ever since. I have never been on an airplane before. Never. I've never ever been on an airplane. I don't even think I've seen an airplane up close, honestly. My all-time favorite tattoo that I have on my body is my little bat right here. This is my favorite tattoo that I have. It was literally just like a flash day tattoo, but I love it. I have had black hair for almost 11 years now. I am a natural blonde. I'm like a dirty-ish blonde, but I much prefer black hair. And I still love it. It's literally like my favorite thing about me is my black hair. It is the best, and my hair is already super, super long. I cut my hair up to my chin a couple years ago, and now it's literally like super long again. I have a birthmark on my right armpit. I am petrified, absolutely petrified of heights. That is my all-time biggest fear. I don't like heights. Can't do it. Even if it's in a show or a movie and somebody's really up high and it shows like the scene of like how high they are up, can't do it. I'm petrified of heights. Please hold. My cat is currently using the litter box, which is right down there. And we want to give him some privacy, so please hold. He pooped. I absolutely despise grocery shopping. It is my least favorite thing to do in the entire world. I would much rather do just about anything else than go grocery shopping. I hate it so much. I don't know why. I just don't like it. I still to this day have crippling driving anxiety. If I have to drive somewhere that I've never been to before, I won't do it. I won't go, or I'll have someone else drive me. I hate driving. I only drive if I've been there before and I know how to get there and I know the exact route. Other than that, you will not catch me driving. My favorite genre of music is nu metal. I'm a very lazy person, but at the same time, I have a very good work ethic. I can be a couch potato for a week straight and not move, but when it comes time to work, your girl is working. I absolutely love working on and learning about cars. If I had the time, I would absolutely love to go to school to become a licensed mechanic, because that would just be so cool to have that under my belt. I love everything about cars. Even though they are so freaking frustrating, I love it. I could spend all day in a garage. It's just the coolest thing to me. Whenever I have to fix something on my car, I am all about the process. I am zoned in. I love it. It's like a weird thing about me. I don't like driving, but I love learning and working on cars. My least favorite food in the entire world that I absolutely hate, can't stand, will not eat, will not even go near is meatloaf. I hate meatloaf. Just the smell of it alone just grosses me out. I hate meatloaf more than anything. You can't change my mind about it. The smell, the texture, everything about meatloaf is just so gross to me. I prefer smaller breed dogs over larger breeds. but I love dogs regardless. But in my life, I would much rather have a smaller breed dog. The biggest thing on my bucket list is to travel to Washington, D.C. to see the Exorcist stairs, the infamous stairs that were used in the film The Exorcist. I want to go see those stairs in person so bad. It's like on my bucket list. I just think that would be super cool to see them in person. Also, another fun fact, that was the first horror movie I ever watched as a kid. I think I was probably like 7 or 8. Had nightmares for years. I have a really hard time with change. I don't do well with change. So I try to keep my life and everything around me the same as possible all the time, because whenever something drastic changes, I don't deal well with it. I don't cope with change very well. So everything has to stay kosher and cool and straight lined all the time. Can't be any different. Along with that is I also really struggle watching new movies and or TV shows. That's why I will typically watch the same shows and movies over and over and over again, because when it comes to watching a new movie or TV show, I don't know why. It just makes me very nervous and uncomfortable, and I put it off and avoid it until like the very last minute. I don't know why I'm like that. Anything new, I'm like, ooh, I don't know, it's new. I don't know about that. I take a nap every single day. I literally plan my whole schedule around for me to fit a nap in. My body doesn't do well when I don't take a nap. I love naps. I have always been a big nap taker ever since I was a wee little tot. Love naps. And still to this day, I have to take a nap every day. Even if it's just for 45 minutes to 2.5 hours, it has to happen. Gotta have my naps. I name all of my animals after singers and or bands, except my cat. My cat is named Baxter, but that's because that's what my grandpa named him, and I didn't want to change his name. But other than that, I've had a Motley, a Jackal, and an Avril Lavigne, and some future pet names would be Ozzy, Manson. So I love singer and boy and band names for my pets. I am very attached to my piercings. The thought of like taking a piercing out makes me sick to my stomach. I don't know what it is, but I am very like emotionally attached to my piercings. Like when I had to take my eyebrow piercing out for the second time, I was devastated and I literally cried. Like I can't even think about taking my piercings out. They are literally a part of me. They are mine. They are staying in my face. And I'll probably have them until I'm 80. Kind of going along with this is I also have major avoidance attachment issues with people in my life. I don't know why. When someone comes into my life and they start to get a little bit too close, I start to push them away. Why do I do that? I don't know. Do I need therapy? More than likely. So those are all of the facts that I have for this Facts About Me video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to throw something out there a little bit, something I had been planning for a while and I thought it was appropriate since I haven't been here. Let me know down in the comments what a fun fact about you guys, let me know in the comments a fun fact about you guys. There we go. Let me know down in the comments a fun fact about you guys. I would love to read them. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up. If you would like, make sure you subscribe. If you would like, no pressure there. But I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye. Mwah.